welcome to the much awaited live streaming of Buy Kuka TV Win a Cool Car campaign, where we are finally going to announce our lucky winner who gets to drive the brand new car home today. I would like to welcome all our guests, Mr. Shashowit Ranjan, the national head of Kuka TV India, who is joining us shortly, the Flipkart team fraternity, and all our Kuka fans who are watching this live stream. Also, our lucky winner will be joining us soon. Kuka, a name synonymous with innovations in smart televisions technology, has successfully marked its presence in young households across the globe. Known for dynamism in terms of usability, technological upgrade, the television is the perfect choice for people who would like to explore an assortment of content from different platforms. Kuka promotes the innovation and development of advanced technologies with the aim of providing smart gadgets that meet the needs of the present younger generation. Kuka is one of the biggest TV brands in Southeast Asia. As we all know that we will be announcing the lucky winner for the Kuka Cool Car campaign, but beside this, there is another surprise for you all. In this live stream, you have the golden chance to win amazing gifts by playing an exciting Q&A game, which is question and answer game. Simple. So you must pay attention to all the things that we talk about in today's live stream, as it can help you to answer the questions that we're going to ask you soon. So are you ready? We will be playing it soon. But before that, let me tell you more about the brand. Kuka was founded in 2006 and it specializes in hardware manufacturing system, R&D, content operation in smart TVs alongside Kuka audio equipment, earphones and routers. Kuka is dedicated to connecting with the younger generation and exploring intelligent lifestyles enabled by technology and the internet. Adopting sleek and fun designs, Kuka is continuously developing intelligent and trendy technological products for young people. Team Kuka is committed to ringing change by introducing game-changing innovations in entertainment automations globally. Our inspiration and aspirational young team of technologists, researchers and experience enthusiasts bring the best from the world of smart television technology, ensures you explore all you imagined. Explore, discover, create is the brand spirit of Kuka. We aim to harness the attitude of young people by encouraging them to explore more, discover more and create more. Our brand is positioned as the Cool Life flair. The Cool in Cool Life is different from the Cool subculture. To us, Cool radiates positivity. We define Cool as a youthful and trendy lifestyle. To lead a cool life is to strive for a better future. Live simply to save the earth, be optimistic about the future and pursue your passion. Launching its first range of televisions, Kuka has introduced 3 variants in Easy Smart Android televisions. Our products are upgraded with the latest technology, which will make our viewing experience extraordinary. You will get amazing features like 4K resolution, infinity screen, Chameleon Extreme 2.0, Dolby Digital Audio, crystal clear display, unlimited entertainment, tailor-made content and much more. If watching TV is one of your favorite ways to spend your time with yourself or with your loved ones, then you might want to upgrade the viewing experience, and to do so, you can get home S6G Pro Kuka TV. Its infinity screen will let you watch content from one corner of the frame to the other without any limit. So your favorite content will appear rich and crystal clear. Also, you can use it to play games without facing any speed-related issues. What's more, it lets you control the TV from your phone via the iCasting app. You will get amazing features: 4K resolution, infinity screen, Chameleon Extreme 2.0, Dolby Digital Audio, crystal clear display, unlimited entertainment, tailor-made content and much more. You can also make your movie nights fun and engrossing with the Kuka 80cm 32 HD Ready LED Smart TV S3U Pro, which has a screen to bezel ratio of up to 98.6%. Courtesy of CC Cars, the Smart TV lets you project content from your smart devices without a network connection. Also, you can easily change channels and control the Smart TV directly from your smartphone. You can learn about an IoT device on the Smart TV screen for a smart and intelligent operating experience. The amazing features of S3U Pro include smart control, less bezel and more entertainment, intelligent noise reduction, Dolby Audio, and with eye protection mode, this smart TV reduces blue light to minimize eye fatigue. You can buy these trendy technological products on Flipkart. Don't wait and upgrade your viewing experience now. Buy the S3U Pro and S6G Pro and you might not know when you can win surprising prizes. And today we all are here to announce the winner of Kuka Cool Car campaign, which was launched between 29 September and 4th November on Flipkart. We gave a chance of winning a cool car to all our Kuka fans by buying Kuka TVs at festive special prizes. You had a chance to qualify to win a grand car. Besides the car, you also had the chance to win more than 50 exciting prizes. I wish I was there. Since long we have been waiting, but finally the day has arrived. We all are here and very excited to announce a lucky winner. But before that, if any of you did not participate in our Cool Car campaign, then not to worry, as today all of our Kuka fans will get a chance to interact with us and win amazing and exciting gifts by answering just a few questions. Yes, you've heard it right. We are going to play a very exciting game where you get to answer some questions and win super cool gifts. The game that we're going to play today is a Q&A game where you will answer some questions related to our brand and will get a chance to win exciting prizes. We will be asking some questions related to our brand and you just need to answer them correctly in the right format. You will have to answer the question in a limited time frame. The countdown here will tell you about when your time is about to get finished. The right format to answer the question is use hashtag KukaCoolCar, hashtag KukaCoolCar, and then type your answer in the comment box below. The hashtag is very important. Without the hashtag, your answers will not be accepted. So don't forget to use the hashtag KukaCoolCar. The first person in the comments to answer the question correctly using the hashtag KukaCoolCar will be the winner. The exciting prizes that you're going to win today are the cool and latest game pads and fascinating pen drives. Isn't it exciting? So just answer a few questions and you stand a great chance of winning the latest technology products in just a few minutes. So be ready as we're going to start the game soon. Try to answer the questions correctly in the right format using hashtag KukaCoolCar. The cool and amazing gifts are waiting for you. So just hold your mobile phones and be ready to type your answers in the comment box. For the first round, you have the chance to win the latest game pads, and for the second round, you will have the golden chance to win phenomenal pen drives. Kuka believes in harnessing the attitude of young people to encourage them to explore more, discover more and create more. Our brand spirit to explore, discover and create focuses on fulfilling this aim. And with this, let's begin the Q&A game that you all are waiting for. So are you all ready? Alright. The rules are simple. Just answer the questions about our brand within the time limit and the countdown will tell you when your time is about to get finished. So don't forget to use the right format while answering the question. Just use hashtag KukaCoolCar and type your answer in the comment box below. The first person in the comments to answer the question correctly using the hashtag KookaCoolCar will be the winner. For the first question, you have the opportunity to win the latest and cool gamepad. So be ready as the first question is here for you all. What is the brand spirit of Kooka? I again repeat the question for you all. What is the brand spirit of Kooka? Come on guys! Okay, so I'm repeating again for those who missed the question. Yet again, I'm speaking for the last time. What is the brand spirit of Kooka? And your time has started already. So come on, quickly answer. We're getting so many comments from people across India, from different parts of India. So don't forget to use the hashtag. Hashtags are very important. The hashtag is hashtag KookaCoolCar. Do not forget to type the hashtag. Without this, your answers will not be accepted. So you are left with only a few seconds. Come on, come on. What are you waiting for? This is your chance to win the latest gamepad. Do not forget to type the hashtag and the countdown begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's time to pull the plug. Alright guys, thanks for participating. Well done, well played. And the time is up for this question. We will be reviewing your answers and soon you'll get to know. To know about the winners, please follow the official Facebook and Instagram handle at Kooka India to check the winners. And the game is not over yet guys. Hold your horses. You still have the chance to win the gamepad. Just answer the next question quickly and correctly. So moving on to my next question and your another chance to win a cool gamepad is here. My second question goes like this. What is the Kooka gesture? I again repeat the question for you all. What is the Kooka gesture? Come on guys, quickly answer. Come on, come on, come on. One more time. What is the Kooka gesture? Well, I'm getting so excited looking at the comments. People, their comments are floating in and we are thrilled to see how great people could participate in the way they are performing. I mean, they just know all the answers and they were listening to me so carefully. That feels so great. My question was, what is the Kooka gesture? So don't forget to use the hashtag. Hashtags are very important. The hashtag is hashtag KookaCoolCar. Do not forget to type the hashtag. So hurry up, Kooka fans. What are you waiting for? And the countdown begins again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great guys, as I told you, please follow the official Facebook and Instagram handle at Kooka India to check the winners. If you were not able to answer the question, then do not worry. The next question is coming up right here for you to quickly answer. My third question for you is, what is the primary color of Kooka logo? I again repeat my question for you all. What is the primary color of Kooka logo? For the last time, let me repeat the question for you guys. What is the primary color of Kooka logo? You have just 40 seconds left now. Come on, hurry up. Comment. Brace up, buck up. We can see so many people participating. It feels great. Come on, finish it up. Type the correct answer in the comment box with hashtag KookaCoolCar. So don't forget to use the hashtag. Hashtags are very important. The hashtag is hashtag KookaCoolCar. Do not forget to type the hashtag. 10 seconds now. Finally, let's begin the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, time is up. To know about the winners, please follow the official Facebook and Instagram handle at Kooka India to check the winners. If you're wondering whether the Q&A game is over, then not at all. We have another Q&A round where you have the chance to win a brand new pen drive. So let's head on to our next Q&A round without any further delay. Remember, the latest pen drive is waiting for you. So be ready with your mobile phones and quickly type the answers. The rules are simple. You just have to answer the questions about our brand within the time limit. The countdown will tell you when your time is about to get finished. Answer the questions in the right format. Use hashtag KUKA, Cool Car, and type your answer in the comment box below. The first person in the comments to answer the question correctly using the hashtag KUKA, Cool Car will be the winner. The game is getting exciting and the first question for this round is coming right up. So my first question goes like this. Which two TV were discussed by us before? Come on. Let me see how much you remember. So come on, put it in the right format. Which two TV were discussed by us before? Come on, come on, come on, come on. One more time, let me repeat my question for you. Which two TV were discussed by us before? So don't forget to use the hashtag. Hashtags are very important. The hashtag is hashtag KUKA Cool Car. Do not forget to type the hashtag. I'm waiting and let me see the comments. I'm reviewing the comments, guys. Right in front of you. And so many comments are coming up, and let me see who gives me the right answer first, and then I'm going to quickly take the screenshot and keep it in record for you to win the exciting prize that we are giving away. Remember to follow our Facebook and Instagram handle to follow up with the winner's name. And now let me just take the screenshot, and there you go. Alright guys, the time is finished. Alright, the countdown is also over. Please follow the official Facebook and Instagram handle at KUKA India to check the winners. Alright, so let's get started. The next question for this round is, what is the slogan for the KUKA Diwali Shopping Festival? I repeat my question again. What is the slogan for the KUKA Diwali Shopping Festival? For those who might have missed the question, I'm repeating yet again. What is the slogan for the KUKA Diwali Shopping Festival? And your time has started, so just type the correct answer in the comment box with the hashtag, and the hashtag is hashtag KUKA Cool Car. Hurry up, you have only few seconds left to answer this question, and the answer is very simple. I'm sure every KUKA fan will know it. What are you waiting for, guys? Here is your chance to win phenomenal pen drive. Come on guys. Don't waste time. Just quickly answer in the right format. Just 10 seconds left. Come on. Now the countdown begins. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The time is up, guys. Alright, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we are there at the rate KUKA India to check the winners. All you have to do is just follow the official Facebook and Instagram handles. And the next question is waiting for you. So here comes my next question. Which car is KUKA gifting in this lucky draw? I repeat my question again. Which car is KUKA gifting in this lucky draw? Come on guys, which car is KUKA gifting in this lucky draw? Finally, the most anticipating question. Yes, hurry up, you just have few seconds left. The time has already started. Come on. Time literally flies. So don't forget to use the hashtag, which is hashtag KUKA Cool Car. So only 30 seconds left for you to win a fascinating pen drive. So don't forget to use the hashtag. Hashtags are very important. The hashtag is hashtag KUKA Cool Car. Do not forget to type the hashtag. You just have the final 15 seconds left. And your time is just about to get up. The countdown begins here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And there you go. Let me see. Okay, let me just take few screenshots before we finally review them. Alright. There you go. Amazing, guys. what an amazing response that we are getting. Alright, so many of you are quite sure of your answers. I'm sure you've given in the right format also. You have used the hashtag also and you've given the right answers too. But to know the winners, you will have to go to our Facebook and Instagram handle. So we'll be publishing the results there. So do not forget to follow us there. So now, the lucky winner of Buy KUKA TV Win a Cool Car will be declared soon. People who are qualified to attend the lucky draw are those who bought KUKA TV during 29 September to 4th November on Flipkart and have already confirmed with KUKA about attending this lucky draw. So just have a little more patience before we tell you about the winner. Now I would like to invite the team that made it all work. Put your hands together for the national head of KUKA TVs, Mr. Shashowit Ranjan, for sharing with us more about the young smart TV brand KUKA India. Come on everyone, let's give a big hand for him. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you for joining us here today. So please share with us more about the brand and its launch in India.
So KUKA was founded in 2006 and we specialize in research and development as well as hardware manufacturing, content operation and smart TVs.
Okay.
Alongside KUKA audio equipment, earphone and routers. So KUKA in India we launched in 2019 on Flipkart. And since then, we are receiving amazing response from our customer. We just aim to provide the best quality with latest cool technology to our buyers.
So it's almost now 2 years since your partnership with Flipkart. So what do you have to say about your partnership with Flipkart?
Yeah, it's been 2 years since our partnership with Flipkart, and we must say that Flipkart team has been very supporting throughout the journey. Flipkart has helped us a lot in making our product reach safely to the respective buyers, and because of their support, we are able to grow in India.
So sir, please elaborate us on what makes KUKA India special.
KUKA is a brand that provides the best quality and affordable prices. KUKA has innovative designs, which is advanced technology, which have been extremely popular with masses in countries. KUKA TV have come with various features including bezel-less screen, Dolby Audio, quad-core processor and several other latest features. Also, our approach is to build a brand for young India and enable our consumer to sync with our brand philosophy, which is explore, discover and create. And we have world-class manufacturing unit in India, which is one of the largest factories in India.
So sir, what do you have to say about the growth of KUKA TV in Indian market?
The last 1 year has been very special for us for KUKA TV since its launch on Flipkart in India. KUKA has earned excellent customer ratings, which is commendable, as well as consumer reviews. I am really pleased as the brand has started to become a household name in India.
So sir, the brand has reached new heights. Please tell us about the achievement and awards earned by KUKA India.
Well, we are able to achieve great heights on global level as KUKA TV has global presence, operating in 9 countries including India, China and other countries in Europe and Southeast Asia, etc. We also have 6 R&D centers across the globe. We have reached more than 30 million customers across the globe. The market valuation of KUKA is $1.48 billion. We have also been able to create Guinness Book World Record of the most TVs sold in a single one platform in 24 hours by selling 56,272 units TV in 24 hours on 11th November 2013.
Wow, that's phenomenal. So KUKA is a brand known for its new and trendy technology. So please tell us about the various range of products of KUKA TVs.
Our current line of product includes smart TVs, which includes smart OS as well as our own OS, which is named Kulita OS. We have launched S3U Pro series recently, which is based on Kulita OS. After years of research and development, the KUKA S3U Pro Smart TV merged modern technology and cost-friendly home viewing experience thanks to the signature CCcast technology features, which enables consumers to share their smartphones on KUKA Smart TV without the hassle of connecting Wi-Fi network. We have also S6G Pro series, which is an Android-based series, which is Android 10 and which offers more responsiveness and more powerful functions with a user-friendly UI. With the S6GU Pro, users can control their televisions, lights, speakers, air conditioning. So it's an AIoT product. And we will also, besides that, we'll also be coming with a more range of products very soon.
Okay, that's amazing. So recently, KUKA also launched a new operating system, Kulita OS. Tell us about that also, please.
Yes, we have launched our new operating system, which is Kulita OS. The OS is light web OS built on Linux kernel platform that offers a higher, smoother, and more convenient smart TV experience to our consumer. It comes with access to a wide range of apps and services, including YouTube. While user can also utilize KUKA CCcast technology to cast content from Android TVs to their TV without the need of internet or Wi-Fi connections. And as a young brand, we are quite ambitious to make this brand reach more Indian households than ever before.
So thank you so much, sir. I'm sure the brand will win people's heart and this will penetrate in the market like never before. So thank you so much once again for joining us. Having a conversation with you means a lot, and to the people also, to all the KUKA fans who are listening us, who are joining us today in this live stream. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Kamal.
Flipkart has been an amazing partner with us for the past 2 years. They have been very supportive in operations for a young brand like us. To share more insights on this, I would like to welcome and invite Team Flipkart, who will be joining us straight from the Flipkart headquarters. So please have a look at the screen. A very warm welcome to you. We are delighted to have you here, and all our fans are waiting to hear a word from you. So I have a question to ask you. What do you think about the KUKA TV and the Cool Car campaign which is running?
It's been our pleasure working with KUKA over the last 2 years, and it's my pleasure to be here. Over the last 2 years, as we worked very closely with the KUKA team, we've come to realize that KUKA is not trying to just get the best technology, they're also trying to craft the technology for Indian customers. Out here, one big piece of the audiovisual engagement is on the mobile phone, but once the customer comes home, it's the television that takes the prime place. Now we're finding more and more customers are actually doing individual viewing, and they're doing viewing from multiple sources. KUKA understood this insight much early in the game and realized that in India, for KUKA to emerge as the leading player, it will be very important to play value for money game. And that is what KUKA has tried to do over the last 2 years, not just in terms of giving the lowest cost television out there, but also the best possible value to our customers, whether it is the design language, whether it is audio, whether it is picture quality. KUKA has constantly gone back to customers. They were constantly asked us for consumer data. We've given it to them. KUKA team has crafted their product range in line with the feedback that the customers have given and that Flipkart has given. And this has really seen KUKA move from strength 1, 2, 3, and it's been a constant upward movement. We're very, very happy. The campaign, the marketing campaign that KUKA ran, again symbolizes KUKA's view of the Indian market, ability to understand the Indian customers, and run a clutter-cutting campaign. And we got some really good results for it. I'm very, very happy with the KUKA team's approach to the Indian market. Our journey to build KUKA as a brand and build sales signals still continues, but this BBD in this festive season has been one more step in that direction.
Absolutely, sir. This campaign is super exciting for sure. We all are having a good time and just can't wait to see who takes the car away. But I would also like to know, so how was the experience working with KUKA India?
Oh, absolutely fantastic. Like I said, even in the earlier part where I covered, I think KUKA team, what is so unique about the KUKA team, KUKA vision of the Indian market is that they're just not looking at bringing the products with the best technology. They're looking at crafting the products for the Indian customers. It's been our pleasure, like I said, we want to bring the best of experience to Indian customers. We want to drive the penetration of televisions in the Indian market. We want our customers to experience the product and really love it for the next 5 years, 10 years. And in that journey, KUKA has been an amazing partner, always willing to listen to feedback and make tangible improvements. I look forward to crafting more cut-through product, software innovations with KUKA. But the experience so far, that was your question, it's been absolutely fantastic.
I'm sure, sir, people who have used KUKA, they can vouch for it. So sir, how does Kuka penetrate the TV segment on Flipkart?
See, India is a very unique market, and yes, of course, what we also love working with Kuka is their ambition. You know, that they are very, very keen that they emerge as the most loved brand of televisions in India for the younger audience. If I look at smart TV as the universe, or TVs that at least can take a smart stick, then the total penetration in India would be less than 20%. The opportunity for both Kuka and Flipkart is immense. Our customers are demanding, they're looking for a better experience. How do we fulfill their need gap? Over the last 2 years, Kuka has crafted their product both on the hardware and software side for the Indian market. They've also started investing on the marketing side, and very cut-through kind of marketing investment. As we continue our journey forward, as we continue to add value, in fact, if I had to find one word for Kuka, which could take Kuka to market leadership position, I'll say hyper value. How do you fundamentally differentiate Kuka from other brands that are also trying to play the value game? That is a journey. On a public platform, I can't say more than this, but between Kuka and Flipkart, we are engaged in a journey to drive hyper value for Indian customers. I believe that if this journey could be achieved, if we are able to craft a Kuka product profile around hyper value, 1 million units is something that Kuka could do, and that is my belief.
I'm sure, sir, there's no compromise when it comes to the quality. So how do consumers look at Kuka products?
I think again, I'll take it forward from the earlier questions. Customers in India are wedded to value. Okay. The way to differentiate, and that has been the journey of new brand growth in India. If you look back, I will not name the brand, but if you look back over the last 5 years, there was a certain way the Indian market was structured. We all know what our per capita income in this country is. Okay. Everybody in the market wanted to play on the premium end. So at one end, you had customers which were like a regular pyramid, most of the customers sitting in the value segment. But when you look at the market structure, most of the brands were in the premium segment. Over the last 5 years, the brands that have really grown are the ones that have said, value customer, here is my value offering. And to that extent, like I mentioned with Kuka, we are engaged in the journey of saying, how do we create the hyper value offering? If Kuka is able to do that right, and it will be our attempt. I personally believe that they have the right team, they have the right technology, they have the right intent, they have the right amount of investment available to plow into the Indian market. If we crack the hyper value game, like I said, 1 million TVs is what Kuka could do. And in a very short time, I'll hesitate to put the time out there. These are still discussions, but I'm very, very bullish on Kuka growth. Indian customers want Kuka to succeed. They like Kuka. They're rating it. They're buying it with their wallets. They're rating it very, very high. Now, the only question is, from value, can we move to hyper value? If you're able to do that journey, I think, like I said, Kuka will emerge as a very, very large player in the Indian market. From a customer point of view, I don't see any discontinuity as long as the word hyper value is what Kuka focuses on.
So I'm pretty sure that people are actually going to recommend this brand for sure, and this is going to be a big hit in India. So working with Kuka for some time now, you might have an idea about how well the Kuka brand will do in future. So what are your plans with Kuka India?
Very bullish. Again, I can give you a full paragraph on it, but I'm very, very bullish on it. The work with Kuka, between Flipkart and Kuka, has to be, how do we solve for hyper value? And once that happens, Kuka can actually become the engine that will drive the penetration of televisions, great audiovisual experience in the market. Once we have built the base, which is, let's say, would be our attempt over the next year and a half, I'm very bullish that we need to go for a million units by cracking the hyper value thing. Thereafter, we want to work with Kuka and say, how do we bring cut-through innovations to the market? I'll give you an example of one of the conversations that we had with Kuka team. We believe that over the next 5 years, once 5G comes into India, televisions, the cable will be cut completely, and televisions will start becoming not just an output device where you're consuming, but they will have far-field microphone in them, they will have camera in them, and in fact, they will become the second largest provider of traffic to online. So smartphone will remain the number one as to how people access online. The second one will become television. And the reason why that is so important for Kuka and Flipkart to understand is television will emerge as the hub at home. around which KUKA will be able to build its entire ecosystem.
Thank you for sharing with us about your partnership with KUKA India. Now the time has arrived for which we all have been waiting for since so long. I can see the full of joy and the flutter of anticipation. I'm sure we can't wait to know the winner's name. Let's see who will take away the car, who's the lucky winner. And I'm going to invite Mr. Shushowit once again to tell us about the winner and how they have been selected.
Thanks for inviting again, Kamal.
Welcome back, sir. Once again, people are waiting to know the results. You have the result, but so before you announce the winner's name, please tell us how have you selected? What was the criteria? What was the procedure?
So this campaign was run from 29th September to 4th of November, and whoever buys KUKA TV from Flipkart and the 1,000 consumers will be the winner of this campaign. So we have chosen the campaign based on our this method, and we already have the winner.
Alright, so sir, I'm sure people can't wait to know the winner's name. Can we please announce the winner's name? Who's the lucky one who will be taking the car away today?
Sure, Kamal. I have the details which we have received from Flipkart, and the details which I had in the symbol.
Alright.
I'll open this.
So here you go, ladies and gentlemen. The flags are flying and the balloons are ready for release. Let's see who is the winner, and the name is...
We have Mr. Rajesh Ramdos, who is from Chennai, is the winner of KUKA TV.
Woo! Mr. Rajesh Ramdos, congratulations! So you are the lucky winner of our Cool Car campaign, who is going to take home this spacious and wonderful car today. Thanks to him for announcing your name. So thank you so much, sir, for coming here, for giving the treat to the audience by announcing the name of the winner, especially to the winner and his family. So many congratulations once again. So would you like to say anything to him?
Many congratulations to Mr. Rajesh Ramdos for trusting our brand, for trying our brand, and I'm sure he must be having amazing experience with our product. So I wish him all the best and many congratulations for him, and he'll be soon driving a new car. Thank you.
I'm sure, sir, he can't thank us enough. Alright, so thank you so much once again. Thank you, sir. We'll just take your leave. Thank you. Congratulations, Mr. Rajesh. So you are the lucky winner of our Cool Car campaign, who's going to take home this spacious, wonderful, spectacular car. So how are you feeling?
Yeah, this is Rajesh. This is the best Diwali gift I could have asked for. On behalf of my entire family, I would want to thank KUKA TV for gifting me such a huge prize.
So what does this amazing car mean to you?
Yeah, I wanted to buy a new car for my family, but it was not easy to buy a car. But by participating in the Cool Car campaign, I got this golden opportunity to win a brand new car. I'm really happy. It feels so good. So thank you, KUKA TVs, for such a wonderful gift. Bought KUKA TV in the BBD offer at a great price. I must say, the build quality, business screen, and fantastic features are amazing in this price. I am very happy with the purchase and would recommend it to everyone to go for KUKA's amazing quality products.
So once again, congratulations, Mr. Rajesh, on winning the KUKA Cool Car campaign. We wish you all the best for your future. With this, we have come to an end of this live stream. KUKA is a young brand that aims to provide trendy and cool technology with amazing features and services to its customers. Buy the amazing range of KUKA TVs on Flipkart and lead a cool life, where the aim is to strive for a better future. Live simply to save the earth, be optimistic about the future, and pursue your passion. Thank you so much, guys, for participating. It was such an amazing session. The idea was to have fun. We were thrilled to see so many comments pouring in, and people from every nook and corner of the country, they were participating. It was such an amazing session, and I'm sure we all had a good time. So I'm sure after replying, after commenting, you must be waiting for the winner's name to be announced. But don't worry, soon we will be updating you about the winner's name on all our social media handles, including Facebook, Instagram. So don't forget to join us and like us and follow us at KUKA India on all the social media platforms, and you will soon be updated with the winner's name. So stay tuned. I would also like to thank you all for participating, for being here, for making it a successful live stream. Thank as a word is so small, yet it speaks the volume of the hidden sentiment. So thank you so much to all our KUKA fans right now watching us. This is Kamal Misri signing off.